Delaware Governor John Carney joined Lieutenant Governor Bethany Hall Long, Division of Public Health Director Dr. Karyl Rattay, legislators, first responders, and advocates Monday as he signed 3 bills into law aimed at fighting the addiction epidemic and saving lives in Delaware. One of the bills will create the nation's first overdose system of care to improve care, treatment, and survival of patients who overdose.
The first state, and it will be the first in the nation, to implement an overdose system of care. I'm excited about it. We've been recognized by the Pew Foundation and others for our efforts, and I know Governor Carney respects this. I know our Secretary of Health, our Director of Division of Public Health, our Director of DSAM are extremely committed, and our members of the General Assembly have put extra funds.
3 bills signed Monday were sponsored by Senators Stephanie Hansen and Brian Townsend and Representatives David Bentz and Helene Keeley.
Having the chance to implement this.
I am really full of gratitude today for so many people in the room. Thank you, Governor, for your leadership, and Dr. Walker and Elizabeth Romero, thank you so much for your advocacy and your leadership on this issue, as well as the many elected officials that are in the state. This is clearly a very complex crisis, and it requires a complex, multifaceted response. And these 3 bills add important tools to our toolbox to enable us to act and better address this crisis.
Can you imagine if you were having a heart attack or a stroke and the emergency room doctor gave you a single dose of aspirin and sent you home? But in every day in this state, in every hospital up and down the state, a patient suffers a life-threatening overdose, is given a single dose of Narcan, and is sent home, often within an hour, sometimes within 15 minutes. This overdose system of care bill will create the needed, consistent, and evidence-based pathway for treatment for individuals that are struggling with substance use disorder.
If we can't do it with all these people here, then who can?